Imagine high-powerful computing data with a particle accelerator and a spatial cyclotronic technology.
Professor Shiozawa has numerous degrees from several universities in Japan and elsewhere. His brain doesn't work like a normal one. He's an authentic scientific genius, if you will, like those that you see in science fiction movies. So he was able to merge many different disciplines into one single thought, one conception. Myself and other colleagues, we didn't want to believe it when the professor presented us with his results. We used to say, "No, it's not possible to create such a machine." In fact, a German colleague of mine would say, "We will never work on such a monkey business." But in fact, he was leading me and others to realize his project. About the Shio-Z project itself, I don't know the real applications for the Z machinery. Only the professor and a few others are authorized to know such things. But I'm already honored enough to be invited to help in the realization of this incredible Z machinery. As I understand it, each of us deals with a specific aspect of the project, and only the professor himself knows all the elements, how all the elements will be put together. I can't say much more, because I'm sworn to secrecy for my small part. But what I can say is that physics and mathematics, numbers if you will, is just one way of seeing reality.
We have finally reached a great opportunity. The Z machinery is not as complex as one might think, but thanks to it, we can now achieve an unprecedented level of knowledge of dynamic events. Imagine, for example, when you shake two dice in your hand and then throw them on the table. You can never predict with constant accuracy the result of your throw. But if we could influence with sufficient precision all the variables that come into play, from when we take the dice in hand to when they stop on the table, then we could, in such a case, determine connection of high predictability and establish related models. The idea was simple: merging the technology and the concept underlying a modern particle accelerator with a powerful compounding system for input and output data. In short, can you imagine? We input the atomic and subatomic particles of a sense of information. That's the turning point. And afterwards, physics and mathematics do the rest. A special cyclotron filled with variables which generates a collision with some constants, and so the unpredictability assumes a completely different meaning. Naturally, a research project has been set up to exploit this new technological potential, and some of my most distinguished students have been selected to lead it. The name of the project is Shio-Z. They wanted to honor me by using my name, but the project goals are absolutely top secrets.